India's growth story, from 1947 to the age of AI. On the 15th of August 1947, India began a new chapter as an independent nation. This is the story of India's incredible journey. From a country facing poverty and limited infrastructure, India has transformed into one of the world's most dynamic economies. The foundation laid in the early years paved the way for the massive progress we see across the nation today. Modern seeds, irrigation, and agricultural technology helped India move toward food security and self-reliance. India developed major manufacturing capabilities across steel, automobiles, and chemicals, fueling industrial growth. ISRO took India from launching early satellites to missions to the Moon and Mars, demonstrating world-class space capabilities. Affordable internet and smartphones have connected hundreds of millions of Indians to global information and services. India pioneered a massive digital payments ecosystem, making instant transactions a part of everyday life for everyone. Indian engineers have become a global force in software development, cloud computing, and digital transformation. A powerful startup ecosystem has emerged across fintech, e-commerce, and deep technology, driving innovation forward. India has expanded medical technology and become a major global pharmaceutical producer, supplying affordable medicines to the world. Education access has grown enormously through digital classrooms and expanding universities, empowering the next generation of scientists. India has strengthened indigenous capabilities in aerospace and naval systems, ensuring a robust defense manufacturing sector. Tourism continues to flourish as India's rich heritage, wildlife, and diverse cultures attract visitors from every corner of the globe. India's talent pool and growing economy have given the nation an increasingly vital role in global diplomacy and exchange. And now, the next transformation begins with artificial intelligence, reshaping how India works, learns, and lives. From 1947 to the AI-powered future, the journey continues. Jai Hind. Looking back, we see a nation that has moved from the challenges of 1947 to the digital powerhouse of today. Technology remains at the heart of our progress, driving innovation in every sector, from agriculture to space exploration. Artificial intelligence stands as the next great frontier, promising to reshape how we innovate and grow as a global society. The story of India is a continuous journey of resilience, hard work, and endless potential. India has come a long way, but the greatest chapter is still ahead. Happy Independence Day.